Okay, so hi. I'm about to tell you how to calculate a duration of a course very quickly. So it's very simple. You need to have the story file intact. So you need to have a story file in place. You can simply go to the publish options. When you go to a publish option, it will open up this window. Under the web publish options, you can click on this accordion. If you click on this accordion, this button with three dots on it, and you see here it says duration, calculate automatically, and it says about 46 minutes. So that's an approx duration of your course, which is 46 minutes. Now, this is accurate to a level where you have a particular slide and it has a timeline and it calculates all the base layers. Basically, the base timeline is calculated. So you might also have a few slides which might have layers on it. So the layers are not included in the time that I just showed you in that duration. So that has to be done manually only. So you don't need to run the course and check the timing. You can simply first notice the time here, which says around, say this one says 46 minutes. And once you say, okay, you have the 46-minute number in hand, you can quickly go ahead and look at the slides which have layers. So some of my slides would not have layers, like this one does not have any layer. Then if I move forward, this one also does not have any layer here. If I go to this slide, it has 3 layers. Okay, so this one is 5 seconds. So you can notice the time, wherever you see this end here, that's the time of that particular slide. So layer. So this is 5 seconds. This one's also 5 seconds. So this one also 5 seconds. So this basically adds 15 seconds more to a slide. So now 46 minutes plus 15 seconds. Similarly, you might find more such slides where you might have layers and those layers might have some time on it. So you do not need to run a course and calculate its timeline. You can simply open its source file and calculate it progressively. Thank you.